At Bob Boldt HVAC, we specialize in expert AC repair services in Burnsville, Minnesota 55306, ensuring your home stays cool and comfortable during the hot summer months. Whether your air conditioner is experiencing issues with refrigerant leaks, compressor failure, or inconsistent cooling, our experienced technicians can diagnose and fix the problem quickly and efficiently. We service all major AC brands and guarantee quality workmanship on every repair. Don't let a faulty AC system disrupt your comfort. Trust Bob Boldt HVAC for fast, reliable, and affordable AC repair in Burnsville, Minnesota 55306. Contact us today about Bob Boldt HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What AC repair services does Bob Boldt HVAC offer in Burnsville, Minnesota 55306? Bob Boldt HVAC provides a variety of AC repair services, including compressor repair and replacement, refrigerant leak fixes, thermostat calibration, and general system diagnostics. How quickly can I get AC repair service in Burnsville, Minnesota 55306? Bob Boldt HVAC aims to respond promptly to all service requests, often offering same-day service. They also provide 24/7 emergency repair services for urgent issues. What is your AC repair service office for Burnsville, Minnesota? Our local AC repair service office have served the areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, https://bobboldt.com/Burnsville HVAC/